Forget everything you know about a Greek island vacation. You've seen the stunning 4K video footage, the whitewashed villages of Santorini, the golden beaches of Mykonos, the impossible sunsets over the Mediterranean. And you've seen the prices, right? The ones that make you think this dream is only for lottery winners and celebrities. So you're told to try backpacking Greece. It's the best budget option, they say. Maybe try camping or squeeze into crowded hostels in Greece. But let's be honest. After you pay for a patch of dirt, wrestle with tent poles, and eat cold beans from a can, are you really living the dream? You're hot, you're uncomfortable, and that 5-star view you came for is nowhere in sight. What if we told you that for just a few dollars more, you could be sleeping in a beautiful hotel room with a private balcony and a view that will genuinely change your life? Today, you're not just finding deals on cheap hotels in Greece. You are shattering the myth that this is an unaffordable vacation. You're about to discover our top 10 hidden gem hotels in Greece with unbelievable views, starting just at $70 per night. So, get ready to upgrade your entire Greece travel experience. Number 10. Abelonas Retreat. Starting with the lowest price on this list, we're in the stunning village of Reverie, Santorini with Abelonas Retreat. With nightly rates that can start from around $70 to $82, this is where your trip levels up. The rooms are incredibly spacious, and the breakfast is fantastic, often delivered right to your room to be enjoyed on your balcony. The property offers panoramic vistas of the Aegean Sea and the sunrise, providing true soothing relaxation. It's just a short walk from the main caldera edge for those iconic sunset photos. The location is perfect, quiet and serene, yet close to the path leading to Scaros Rock. Just remember, you'll have to factor in Greece's nightly climate crisis resilience fee, which can range from around $1.60 to $11 per night depending on the hotel's star rating and the season. Number 9. Casa Bianca. Our second Santorini entry is the charming Casa Bianca in Reverie. Answering the age-old question of where to stay in Santorini, Reverie is known as the balcony to the Aegean. Famous for its spectacular sunset views, arguably even better than OIA's, Casa Bianca is your answer to astronomical Santorini prices, with rooms starting as low as $80. This small boutique-style property is a haven of tranquility. The real secret is the location, one of our best travel tips. You don't need a caldera view room when the world's most famous view is a 30-second walk from your door. You're steps away from the main caldera path, perfect for the famous hike to Phyra or OIA, and close to landmarks like Scaros Rock. Number 8. Hotel Tagoo, Mykonos. Now we're heading to Mykonos for a true classic. Hotel Tagoo is consistently rated as one of the best value hotels on the entire island, with rooms starting from around $91. It solves the ultimate Mykonos problem, getting that iconic sweeping view of Mykonos town and the sea, without being stuck in the noisy, expensive maze of the town itself. Located a pleasant 10-minute walk from the center, Hotel Tagoo is perched in a position that offers one of the most spectacular panoramic views you could ask for. Imagine lounging by their beautiful pool, watching the sun dip below the horizon. The staff is legendary for their friendliness, so much so that over 60% of their guests are repeat visitors, making it feel incredibly welcoming and family-friendly. Number 7. Makis Place. Next up, we have another Mykonos gem, Makis Place. This spot solves a classic budget travel headache, feeling like just another tourist. It's a family-run hotel near the new port of Mykonos in Tourlos, and the hospitality here is off the charts. They even offer free shuttle services from the airport and port, a small touch that immediately saves you money and stress. While not every room has a direct sea view, the property itself is a cycladic dream set in a lush garden with a beautiful pool. Prices often start around $105, an incredible value for the island. You're also perfectly positioned to explore, just a short distance from the quiet sands of Agios Stefanos Beach. Number 6. Mykonos Beach Hotel. Our final pick for under $110 solves the first big problem of your budget travel. Location versus cost. You want to be right on the beach, but you don't want to pay a fortune for it. Enter the Mykonos Beach Hotel. Sitting right on the beautiful Megali Amos Beach, this hotel has been run by the same family since 1975, and that history gives it a soul that newer hotels just can't match. With prices that can dip well under $110 a night in the shoulder season, you get the $1 million beach experience without the price tag. The only nature sounds you'll hear are the waves as you roll out of bed and onto the sand in seconds. From here, you're just a 10-minute walk from the iconic windmills and Little Venice. Okay, take a pause. If you're already mentally packing your bags and ditching that tent, hit that like button. And if you want more secrets to traveling the world on a budget from this Greece travel vlog, make sure you subscribe. It means you won't miss out on more guides where the views and the value get even more unbelievable. Alright, time to get back to it. We're into the top 5 now, and these are the hotels that truly blur the line between budget and luxury. Think of this part of our hotel review as a guide to the places that will have your friends asking how you pulled off such an incredible Greece vacation. Number 5. Reverie Santorini. Kicking off our top 5 is a place that tackles the infamous Santorini caldera view problem directly. Located in the beautiful village of Stefani, just a short scenic walk from the main town of Fyra, Reverie is a family-run gem. The complex offers a variety of rooms and studios, many with their own kitchenettes. But its secret weapon is the shared rooftop terrace, which offers a breathtaking panoramic view of the caldera. This is the view people travel across the world for, making Santorini, Greece, one of the best places to visit in Europe. It proves you don't need to be a millionaire to wake up, walk upstairs, and watch the sunrise over a volcano. You are also just a walk away from the famous 3 bells of Fyra Church. Number 4. Carbonaki Hotel. At number 4, we're diving right into the heart of the action in Mykonos. The dilemma: you want to be in the middle of Mykonos town, a stone's throw from the iconic windmills and Little Venice, but you assume you can't afford it. The family-run Carbonaki Hotel says otherwise. Tucked away on a quiet side street, this place is a unicorn of location and value, with rooms often available for under $165 depending on the season. The magic here is on the roof. Snag one of their rooftop rooms for stunning views over the whitewashed labyrinth of Mykonos town and out to the sparkling sea. It's the quintessential Greek island view for a price that feels almost unbelievable. Number 3. Danae Suites, Santorini. Cracking the top 3 is a hotel that shows you what affordable luxury really means, making it one of the best hotels in Santorini for value. Located in the traditional village of Phoenicia, just a stone's throw from world-famous OIA, is Danae Suites. Phoenicia itself is a hidden gem, a charming car-free village that offers an authentic glimpse into old Santorini. Danae Suites combines this traditional design with modern boutique luxury. The suites are stunning, and many come with their own private jacuzzis or pools. Yes, you read that right. A private jacuzzi with a view in Santorini that doesn't require a second mortgage. You're a short walk from the main path to OIA, putting the world's most famous sunset within easy reach. Number 2. NUMO Boutique Resort, Mykonos. For our runner-up, you'll find a spot that feels like a secret that's too good to keep. Located above the tranquil Kalafati Beach in Mykonos, you'll find the NUMO Boutique Resort, with prices starting from around $213 to $231. This place combines flawless cycladic design with a cool retro vibe. The defining feature is the breathtaking sea view from its pool and many of its rooms. You're close to other stunning beaches like Elia Beach and have easy access to water sports like scuba diving and water skiing. You get a world-class boutique resort experience for a price that makes you rethink what's possible on a budget. Number 1. Salty Houses. And here we are. The number one spot is our pick if you crave independence, space, and a truly impressive view. Salty Houses, located near the stunning Kalalivati beach in Mykonos, offers apartment-style living on a budget, with some deals starting around $270. Let's do a mini room tour. These are traditional stone houses, each with a full kitchen and a private terrace. This is where your views become seriously impressive. Perched on a hillside, Salty Houses offers sweeping vistas of the Aegean Sea. You're close to other beautiful beaches like Kalafatis and Aegea Anna, and the traditional village of Anomera is a short drive away. This family-friendly gem gives you the freedom of a villa, a kitchen to save money on amazing Greek food, and a priceless view. So there you have it. 10 hotels across Mykonos and Santorini that completely prove you don't have to camp to see Greece on a budget. From the jaw-dropping value of Abelonas retreat to the private, spacious luxury of Salty Houses, these places prove you can have comfort, you can have authenticity, and you can absolutely have a world-class view for less than you ever thought possible. The wonders of Greece aren't just for the super rich. They're for you if you have a dream and a little bit of knowledge. You can have that iconic vacation, wake up to the Aegean Sea, and create memories that will last a lifetime. You just don't have to do it in a tent. Now it's your turn. This list is just the beginning. What are your favorite hidden gem hotels in Greece? Maybe on other islands like Paros, Greece? Drop them in the comments below. Let's build a community of smart travelers and share the secrets to seeing this incredible country. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, and subscribe for more budget travel guides. Now go book that trip. Your room with a view is waiting.